Where are you headed? Somewhere safe? Or somewhere like deep water? This is a story about direction. Episode 2. Calling. Direction. Once, when Jesus was standing on the shore of Lake Gennesaret, the crowd was pushing in on him to better hear the word of God. He noticed 2 boats tied up. The fishermen had just left them and were out, scrubbing their nets. He climbed into the boat, that was Simon's, and asked him to put out a little from the shore. Sitting there, using the boat for a pulpit, he taught the crowd. When he finished teaching, he said to Simon, "Push out into deep water and let your nets out for a catch." Simon said, "Master, we've been fishing hard all night and haven't caught even a minnow. But if you say so, I'll let out the nets." No sooner said than done. A huge haul of fish, straining the nets, past capacity. Simon Peter fell to his knees before Jesus. "Master, leave. I am a sinner and can't handle this holiness. Leave me to myself." Jesus said to Simon, "There is nothing to fear. From now on, you will be fishing for people." They left boats, nets and all, and followed him.
Deep water is not safe. What about you? Are you playing safe or going into deep water? If you go into deep water, who is leading your direction? Your plans? The world standards? Or his calling? Now, take a seat. Let's explore language, life, and meaning together. Join our Zoom session.